Chambliss, your question today from last night's homework, really, that problem should have been in this homework, okay? And we've practiced this already this year, and that is translating the information they give us straight into math, right into an equation. Now the book, I told you, the book likes to try to use charts, but I find that the charts are more confusing than just translating it into math. Trying to figure out what box this goes into where is too much. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what we have here. This says, what equation would you write to find the amount of protein in a scrambled egg? Okay, somebody wants to know this, okay? And we can use algebra to figure it out. But we're going to use the two pieces of information that they have here. Number one says, an egg scrambled with butter and milk has 1 more gram of protein than an egg fried in butter. What are the two things that I'm comparing? What am I comparing here? Cameron?
Scrambled eggs and fried eggs.
Scrambled and fried, okay? Do you mind if I use S for scrambled and F for fried? Is that okay? You guys mind, or is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it says scrambled has 1 more than protein. So do you agree that scrambled equals protein, has 1 more gram of protein than fried? Scrambled equals fried plus 1. Do you agree with that? Is that okay? Boy, doesn't this look like the homework problem, Chambliss?
Yes.
Because we could surely put F plus 1 into the other equation for S. And we'll do that, okay? Now, let's take the second piece of information and write an equation with it. Steele, I want you to help me out with this. Here's what it says. 10 scrambled eggs have as much protein as a dozen fried eggs. How do I write an equation that represents that?
So 10S
10 times S, right,
equals
is the same as
12F.
12F. Okay, now Alex, Steele,
Yes.
that's perfect, thank you. Alex, you and I have talked about this, and I've talked about it with Lake and other people too. I've got 2 variables.
Right.
I can't solve an equation, one equation, that have 2 variables in it, okay? There are infinite numbers of solutions. Just as an example, x plus y equals 10. What's the solution? Well, there are an infinite number of solutions. 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5. Okay, we can go on forever. That's just the whole numbers. There are an infinite number of solutions when I have 2 variables. Can't do it, Duncan. But Alex, I know what S equals. S is the same as F plus 1.
Right.
So what should I do?
Subtract F from both sides.
Mm-mm.
Just kidding.
I like it. I have a variable by itself. I know what S equals. It equals that. So I'm going to put this in place of S.
Oh, yeah. You can do that too.
I can do that too. So now I'm going to have, you could have gotten F by itself, but we already had S by itself.
Right.
10 times F plus 1. Not S, right? But what S equals. Okay? 10 times F plus 1 equals 12F. Now they didn't ask us to solve it, but can we, Eva?
Yeah, okay.
Sure. What should I do?
Okay, you can just.
I'm going to distribute. Oh, too much. Here we go. 10F plus 10 is equal to 12F. What do you want to do now, Eva?
Okay, now you can subtract 10 from both sides.
Well, you're just moving numbers. Remember, the very first thing I want to do is deal with variables.
Yeah.
Get them together. You told me to subtract 10, or you want me to
10F.
subtract 10F?
10F.
I got it. I'm sorry. Okay, so minus 10F from both sides. And then that's going to give me 10 is equal to 2F.
Divide by 2 on this.
Divide by 2. And F is equal to 5. 5 what? What does that 5 stand for, Helen? 5 grams of protein. How many grams of protein are in a scrambled egg? Which is 6. Right? F is 5 grams of protein, so scrambled must be 5 plus 1, 6 grams of protein. Easy. Done. Do you see why last night's problem, number 11, should have been in this night's homework? Am I getting close, Helen? All right, good job.